guys, today we're going to be riding this train up to the top of Pikes Peak. Should be a lot of fun. Check out this cool engine. It's going to be taking us up today. All the way up there. This thing is so cool.
27 degrees.
It's another train. It's like the back end of it. Really awesome. This is really cool, man. This must be another one. Look how cool it looks inside. Wow, I think I hear running water. That's so cool. Look at that. What a cool station. This is actually a really cool station. Hello. What a cool bridge, man. Yeah, this reminds me a lot of that station in Scotland. It's really beautiful. It's that beautiful clock over there. Well, I guess we better get back down there before we miss the train. So here's some interesting facts about this awesome train that we're riding. It is the world's highest cog railway, and it's been around since 1891, which is amazing to me. I had no idea that it was this old. Now, what is a cog train, one might ask? It uses a toothed rack rail between the tracks, which meshes with a cog wheel on the locomotive for extreme traction. Now, a cog rack system can handle steep inclines, with the steepest being up to 25%, which is pretty impressive. So this train was founded by Zalman Simmons, and this train actually reaches over 14,000 feet, which is just crazy. Sorry, go ahead. Man, that was awesome. Look at that view. Such a cool train, man. Let's go walk around and check some stuff out. So cool. Really great idea with that large set of glass windows. There's Bigfoot. Wonder where the jerky's at. There's the train. It's actually really cool. Actually, a design kind of like this has been around since like the 1800s. I saw a picture of a train that looks similar. Pretty interesting. What a beautiful place. I love the American West. There's no place like it. What an incredible view, man. Beautiful. Yeah, there's this game that I like to play. It's called Red Dead Redemption 2. And I'm pretty sure they modeled the tallest point on the game after Pikes Peak. I don't know for sure, but I think it might be because it looks kind of similar. Pretty awesome. Look at these cool rocks, man. I'm gonna walk down here. I don't know if this is like where runoff goes or what. So cool. Yeah, I'm wanting to see like if there's a view at the end of this little trail right here, if you can call it that. Looks like there is. That's cool. It's like a road right there. I'm guessing that's the road that they drive up here on. Yeah, fun little fact, they actually do a race up to the top of this peak every year, and they've been doing it for a while, I believe. I saw some cool pictures and interesting historical bits about it inside of the building over there. I think you guys saw it earlier, but it's really awesome. So cool, man. Look at that. Yeah, that looks like it would be a fun road to race on. Dangerous, but fun. So incredible. Now, while we're looking at this beautiful view, let's go over some interesting facts about this race that goes to the top of Pikes Peak. The name of the race is Broadmoor Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. Its nickname is the Race to the Clouds, which is an awesome nickname. It was founded in 1916 by Spencer Penrose. The course is 12.42 miles on the Pikes Peak Highway. The elevation starts at 9,390 feet and finishes at 14,115 feet. It has 156 corners and it has been fully paved since 2012. Very interesting. Also, one more interesting fact is that the view on Pikes Peak actually inspired Catherine Lee Bates to write the song America the Beautiful. Pretty awesome. Thank you, Padre. And that was a beautiful train ride. I highly recommend that you guys check it out. Just down here in Manitou Springs, which is where you get onto the train. See, this old building's really cool. It's back when they thought these waters were like healing or whatever. These Manitou's mineral springs have been appreciated for their healthful benefits throughout history. So maybe they do have health benefits because of the minerals or something. There's some of that water right there. Look at this old church. So, Manitou Springs is over 150 years old, and it was officially founded by General William Jackson Palmer in 1872. Before the 1870s, indigenous peoples and early explorers knew of the spring's healing properties. Pretty interesting. This building is so awesome. See how cool that is? So, this building is called the Barker House. It started as a pine cottage in 1872, built by artist Theodore Pine. Politician Charles W. Barker bought it in 1880, transforming it into a Grand Resort hotel. Pretty interesting. Looks like it's French, I think. There's a fire truck. Hopefully everybody's okay. There's another one. So beautiful, man. Look, there's a little clock up in that window. See that? So cool. Look at the beautiful roof, man. Looks like it's like French or French influence. I love the fall, man. Comes another cop car. Hopefully everybody's okay. I've seen these trees all around Manitou Springs. Got like these like berries or something. I'm not sure what they're. They're edible. They look like they're really good. See, there's this old church that we were looking at earlier. The lights are on. I don't think it's still in use, which is very sad, but it's a beautiful church. So the clock's right over here. Got the beautiful Christmas lights going. This awesome, beautiful spruce. I think that's what it is. Very beautiful. There's the clock. It's a nice little bench you can just sit down. Such a beautiful clock, man. Well, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Look at this beautiful car, man. Half expect Chris Tucker and Jackie Chan to be walking out. Haha.